How's it going, everyone? My name is Victor. I'm here with CultMYK and I'm going to show you how to create this grid in under 1 minute. So the first thing I'm going to do is select my rectangle tool on the left hand side, and then I'm going to click anywhere on the artboard. Now I'm going to make it the same size as my artboard, which is 1080 by 1080, and I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to get the fill and the stroke. So the fill is going to be cancelled out, so we don't want any fill in the shape, but we do want the stroke. So we have this square right now, and then I'm going to go to align to artboard, make sure that that is selected, and then I'm going to hit the horizontal align center and vertical align center like that. So then it's going to align my shape exactly to the edges of my artboard. Now with the shape already selected, I'm going to hit object, path, and then split into grid, just like that. Right here, I'm going to select preview, and then I'm going to say 50 rows and 50 columns. So that's going to split my big square into tiny little squares like that. Everything else I'm going to leave the same, and then I'm going to hit OK. Then I'm going to right click here, and then I'm going to say make guides. Now I'm going to type Command 2 on my keyboard so that everything is locked, and you're done. And that's how you can make this grid in under 1 minute. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.